Well, General Washington, what seems to be the marital problem?
I cannot tell a lie. It's Martha. She's driving me nutsy with her whine and her pettiness and her candy making. She don't understand me.
Tell me more, Georgie.
Well, worst of all, she thinks I'm fooling around at Valley Forge. She's driving me crazy with her petty jealousy. Isn't that right, darling?
Yes, every word of it, Georgie Porgy.
Well, there doesn't seem to be any marital problems between you and Martha now.
I cannot tell a lie. This ain't Martha. This is Betsy Ross.
Let me tell you about the birds and the bees and the flowers and the trees and the moon up above and a thing called love. Let me tell you about the stars in the sky and a girl and a guy and the way they would kiss on a night like this.
Now, what seems to be the imperial problem?
She's got to do
Napoleon
what...
never gets off his imperial horse.
Oh, Josephine, I'm a big shot general. I have to be on a horse.
When you come to bed, too? Do you know what horses' hooves do to fancy sheets? It's not a pretty sight.
I'll get off the horse before I go Betty Bye, but you've got to do...
And why do you always keep your arms in your jacket?
Because you've got to...
It looks stupid.
You've got to...
Now that she is quiescent, you tell me. Why don't you just take your hand out of your jacket?
Because she's got to sew on my button. My pants keep falling down. Think about it.
I'd rather not.
And when I look into your big brown eyes, it's so very plain to see. Oh, that it's time you learned about the facts of life, starting from A to Z. Let me tell you about the birds and the bees and the flowers in the trees and the moon up above and a thing called love.
All right, Mr. and Mrs. Attila the Hun, what seems to be the marital problem?
Attila doesn't care for me anymore.
That's ridiculous. I do care about you.
Then why do you stay away for years just so you can pillage and loot?
I'm a Hun. It's my job.
No, it isn't. You deliberately stay away from the house because you don't love me anymore. You're out there killing and maiming and other fun stuff, and not once do you think of me.
All right, all right. Hey, what do you want me to do?
Just show me that you care, that's all I ask.
All right, I'll show you.
Oh, Attila, you really do care.
Ain't love grand?
And when I look into your big brown eyes, it's so very plain to see. Yeah. Oh, that it's time you learned about the facts of life, starting from A to Z. Oh, let me tell you about the birds and the bees and the flowers and the trees and the moon up above. And a thing is called love.
Send to my next appointment, please. Ah, yes, Cinderella Charming, and this must be your husband, Prince Charming.
Yeah, Prince Charming. Talk about a misnomer. Why don't you let a lady sit down?
What if there was one here?
No, settle down, you two, settle down. Now, how long have you two been married?
5 years.
4 years, Prince Dummy.
4?
Yeah.
It seems like 50.
Now, when did the trouble start?
The trouble started once upon a time when I went to that stupid ball. Boy, I must have been smashed. Running through town with that glass slipper, looking for this turkey. And now look at her. Look at this. Her foot couldn't even fit into a glass shoebox.
Look who's being insulting. You ever hear of a prince who leaves his underwear all over the house? You must have been raised in Buckingham stable. I was better off when I was single. single, cooking and cleaning for my cruel but vicious stepmother.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, look how quick he is with an answer.
Oh, well, I can see there's no hope for you two. There's only one solution to your problem.
Yeah. A divorce.
Now you're talking.
No, not a divorce. You see, in addition to being a marriage counselor, I am also a licensed fairy godfather. Now they'll live happily ever after.
Let me tell you about the birds and the bees and the flowers and the trees and the birds and the bees and the flowers and the trees and birds and the bees and the flowers and the trees and the birds and the bees and the flowers and the trees.